Mahum this channel. Today I am going to talk with you about measuring tape. This is my measuring tape. To measure, there are two methods in the world. One of them Imperial methods or Imperial system, Imperial method or Imperial system. For this we use inches and yard and feet. Okay, this is the 1 foot. Okay, 1 foot. There are 12 inches for 1 yard. There are 36 inches. There are 33 inches. Okay. For Riana mean half from yard, then 18 inches. There are 18 inches. Okay. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There are 8 points for a 1 inch. For 1 inch. Okay. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. Okay. Don't use there's a tape divided into 16 parts. Don't use it for my online classes. Okay, for my classes you should use this tape. This is there are 8 parts for 1 inch. Okay. The width of the tape, my half an inch. Okay. There are so many tapes more than the width of the tape, more than half an inch or less than. Okay, but for my classes you should use half inch wide tape. Okay, for my only my classes. Now we are talking about Imperial method. Okay, Imperial method in Sinhala Britanya Krame or Adhirajya Krame. Okay, I mark 0, half inch for 4/8. Okay, this fraction we can minimize like this. 1/2 we call half an inch. Okay, here quarter inch mean 2/8. This fraction we can minimize like, then we call quarter inch, half inch. Here 3/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay, we can write like this 6/8. This fraction we can minimize like this. Okay, 3/4 we call 3/4. Again 8 points is equal to 1 inch. in Sinhala we call nula. Nula for point, for 1 point. In Sinhala we use nula. Again 0, 1/8, 2/8 is equal to 1/4 inch. 3/8, 4/8 we call 1.5 inch. Here 5/8 or 5 point. Okay, in Sinhala nool pahai. Okay, this one 6/8 is equal to 3/4. Here 7/8. Here this fraction we can minimize like this. Same 1 inch. Okay. The other method or other system, it is a metric system or metric method. Here we use centimeters. Okay. There are 3 and 9 inches for 1 meter. Here from centimeter, for 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. Shall we talk about 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. While we divide our body measurements, body circumference, like waist circumference, under bust, over bust, and bust circumference. Always we divide into 4. Why? You should understand this. Shall we note this part, portion? Okay. For a garment, there are 4 pieces like this. Okay, can you understand? That is why we always divide circumference into 4 parts. Okay. Circumference are waist circumference, hip circumference, under bust, over bust, all are we divide by 4. Horizontal measurements like bust to bust, shoulder point to shoulder point, or across, back across, front across, like this, we always divide into 2 because of this is our shoulder bone. Then to this portion we divide into 2. Okay, can you understand? If you go to a picture palace to buy a piece of glass for your window or for your showcase, or to frame your picture, or they ask from what's the thickness. Okay, thickness mean like this, your glass. Okay. There are half point. We in Sinhala we tell nool bage, half 1 point for use your to frame your pictures. Half නූලෙන් භාගේ or half point. Okay, and one නූල් එක in sinhala or 1 point thickness. We talk about thickness for use your windows and for your showcase or 1.5 or නූල් එකමාර 1.5 point or නූල් එකමාර 2 නූල් or 2 points for use for your showcase. Okay, if you go to buy a fabric for your trouser, they call about length. What's the length for a trouser? Length mean 1 yard and quarter yard. Then 1 yard mean 36 inches, quarter yard 9 inches, then 45 inches. Okay, can you understand? My mother tongue is Sinhala, not English. Okay, can you understand?